Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to solve some problems based on voltage and current division. Okay, so the first electrical circuit over here is this. So we need to find the value of I naught. Okay, so in this particular electrical circuit, you can see that these two nodes are basically similar. Okay, so it means that this particular 30 ohm resistor and 70 ohm resistor both are connected in parallel. Similarly, 5 ohm resistor and 20 ohm resistors are also both connected in your parallel. Okay, so the equivalent resistance R equivalent of this particular circuit will be equal to the parallel combination of 30 with parallel with 70 plus 5 in parallel with 20. Okay, so it means that like 30 into 70 upon 30 plus 70, which is your 100. Okay, so it will be equal to 21 ohms. Similarly, 5 into 20 over 5 plus 20, which is 25, 5, which is equal to 4 ohms. Okay, these two resistors, these two resistors are now connected in series with each other. It means that R equivalent will be equal to 21 plus 4, which is equal to 25 ohms. Okay, so the value of I naught, will be equal to, so in this particular circuit, according to Ohm's law, we can say that V is equal to I into R. Okay, so the voltage across this particular circuit is your 50 volts. It means that 50 is equal to I naught into equivalent resistance, which is 25 ohms. So the value of the current in this particular electrical circuit is equal to 2 amperes. Okay, so now let's start with the second problem. Okay, so in this circuit, we need to find the value of, first we need to find the value of V naught, and also we need to find the power which is supplied by this particular current source. Okay, so as you can see 6 kilo ohm resistor and 12 kilo ohm resistors are both connected in series, and their combination is basically connected with in parallel with the 9 ohm resistor. It means that the R equivalent resistance will be equal to 9 in parallel with your 6 plus 12. Okay, so it will be equal to 9 into, which is 6 plus 12 is your 18 over 27. So that is coming out to be 6, which is equal to 6 kilo ohms. Okay, so according to Ohm's law, Ohm's law, we can say that the voltage V naught, okay, so the voltage V naught will be equal to this particular current I into the equivalent resistance R equivalent, which will be equal to 30 into 6, which is your 180 volts. So the value of the voltage V naught will be equal to 180 volts. Okay, now let's solve the second part of the problem. So we need to find the value of the power, which is power that has been delivered, okay, by the current source. Okay, current source of 30 milliamps. So we know that the power is equal to the current I square into R equivalent. Okay, so the value of the current over here is your 30 milliamps. So I is equal to 30 milliamperes. Okay, and R is equal to, so R is equal to your 6 kilo ohms. It means that I square R will be equal to 30 square into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 6 10 to the power of 3. Okay, so it is equal to 900, okay, into 6 into your, this is your 10 to the power of minus 3, which is 5.4 watts. Okay, so it means that the power delivered by the current source is equal to 5.4 watts. Okay, so I hope it is clear how we are approaching the problems. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next lecture. Please do subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to make further more videos. Thank you.